Assalamu alaikum grade 1. In this video I'm having your grammar tree book and I'm opening page number 50 and the topic is fun with sentences. Fun means there is something funny in this page. So read the sentences given below. I wear my breakfast every morning. What? Someone is wearing breakfast? Second one, I eat 2 toy cars. Is that make any sense? I have black shoes to school. These sentences do not make sense. Why? Because the sentences do not make sense because the first part of each sentence has got mixed up with the second part of another sentence. If we write them correctly, the sentence will read that I wear black shoes to school means this is the part of this sentence. I eat my breakfast every morning. Okay, now that makes sense. I ate my breakfast every morning. I have 2 toy cars. I have 2 toy cars. Here are some more mixed up sentences. The lines tell you which 2 parts should go together. Zoya ate an ice cream. Okay. My dog Bruno loves bones. Mother washed my socks this morning. Arshad broke his new toy. Now there's an exercise. We have to do the same thing. Copy the complete sentences here. One has been done for you. Zoya ate an ice cream means this part and this part. These 2 columns, columns A and B, we have to connect them and we have to rewrite them here. Like this one, that Zoya ate an ice cream. Zoya ate an ice cream. They have done this for us. Now number 2, my dog Bruno dash. My dog Bruno loves bones. So I have written here loves bones. Now these 2 you have to do them. Now on the next page, page number 51, you can see the exercise B is match the first part of each sentence with its second part by drawing lines across. Means that we have to make lines. How? That the line has the juicy leaves from the high branches? No. The lion has in winter? No. The lion has wagged its tail? No. The lion has to school in the morning? Obviously no. The lion is a sweet fruit? No, lion is not a fruit. The lion has a lovely flower? No, it also does not make any sense. The lion has cartoons on television? No. The lion has live in the jungle? No, because there is his. Has. Okay, the lion has a thick mane. Yes, lion has a thick mane. So what will we do? We will match these 2 columns like this. The lion has a thick mane. Mane means his fur, his skin full of hair. Okay, I'll do second one for you. The rose is, we have heard some flower. Yes, this is a lovely flower. The rose is a lovely flower. Then we will match. Okay, I have done wrong. A lovely flower like this. Okay, so I have erased it and I'll match it again like this. The rose is a lovely flower, right? Okay, now rest of these sentences, these 2 parts you have to join. And then exercise number 3, then now write the complete sentences here. The lion has, the second part is a thick mane. So the lion has a thick mane. Full stop. Don't forget to put a full stop at the end of each meaningful sentence. So the rest of these sentences you have to match the 2 columns and then you have to rewrite the sentences here. Now it's your next page, page number 52. And the topic is fun with sentences part 2. So let's start. Loves cake Ali chocolate. Has tail long a monkey. Again, there is no sense of these words. Yes, very good. These are jumbled sentences which I have given you in your exercise and I have completed them in your class. So let's start. Are you reading some nonsense? Not really. The words making up these sentences have got mixed up and are not in the correct order. If the words are written in the correct order, these sentences will read that Ali loves chocolate cake, right? That makes sense. And a monkey has a long tail. A monkey has a long tail. So now arrange these words properly to make sentences which make sense. And remember to put a full stop or a question mark after each sentence. Where we have to put a full stop? When there is a simple sentence. And when we have to put a question mark? We have to put a question mark after the question. Okay, so tennis loves Faraz to play. Faraz loves to play tennis, right? Okay, now I'll give you an example of a question. So yes, number 7, to play are going you out. We can write this sentence as that you are going to play out, but we can see that A is capital and the starting letter of a sentence must be capital. It means that R will be at the beginning of the sentence. So are you going to play out? Now that makes a sense that it is a question. So we have to put a question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay, now these 15 sentences, you have to complete them in your grammar book on page number 53 and 52. And fun sentences was on page number 50 and 51. So complete these 2 exercises and have a very blessed day. Allah Hafiz.